my Jamaican trip in pictures. This is the food that I brought back home. I brought back rum, banana chips, and this is strong back. Look at me at the river, at the riverside. This is Grandpa's River, where you can enjoy yourself. These are pics of me and my mom and my dad. And this is me. We were going to church. This is the nice food in Jamaica. This is jelly coconut. This is me relaxing. And this is apple, Jamaican apple. That's me again, living my life. Look at the sunrise in Jamaica. So amazing. I did enjoy myself. I was staying in St. Thomas. St. Thomas is really fun. Look at that cars.